Are you looking for soft glowing skin without breaking the bank? Then this video is for you. Hey Globies, welcome to the channel. Today's video I'm going to share with you one of my favorite serum using only two ingredients, and it's glycerin and rose water. Glycerin locks in moisture, giving your skin a plumply feel, and rose water smooth tone balance the pH of the skin, giving it a radiant glow. And this recipe is good for dry skin, sensitive and acne prone skin. We need a clean bowl, a teaspoon glycerin, vitamin E, rose water, and a bottle to store. How to make it: 2 teaspoons of rose water, 1 teaspoon of glycerin, and half teaspoon of vitamin E oil, which is optional. And we are going to need a glass dropper bottle to pour inside and use it twice daily. In this remedy, just going to turn your skin around. And trust me, you will love the outcome. If you want already made, crafted with love and clean ingredients, kindly grab your glow serum on my website. Link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching to this stage. Please do well to try this at home, and if you are going to try it, let me know the outcome of it by coming back to this video and share your thoughts on it, and let us know the result of it. And I know this is going to give you that lovely skin you are looking for. And please do well to share these videos for someone to get hold of it and also try it. We are all helping each other. I know this video is a bit short, but I've intentionally made it short for you guys to watch to the end. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please do well to give this video a thumbs up. It is very necessary. If you love what I'm doing, just support me by giving me a thumbs up, share with friends, and also if it's your first time here, please do well to subscribe for more of these videos. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.